Want to see the friend request you have sent on Roblox but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to my gaming easy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to see the friend request you sent on Roblox. So without any further ado, let's get started. Begin by tapping on the more icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on the friends option. Here you won't be able to see the friend request that you have sent on Roblox. If you want to view the friend request, tap on the search bar and type the username of the person that you have sent the friend request to. Tap on their profile. If there is pending request button at the bottom of your screen, that means they haven't accepted your friend request. And that's how you can see the friend request you have sent on Roblox. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.